Kasi usapan namin 1.5 lang. But hindi niya specify, iba pala yung gusto niya.
Thank you.
So,
I will not open it. Thank you. It's for my eyes. Thank you. It's for my eyes.
okay, sa Enzo naman. It's time. It's time.
This is like gift for you. Merry Christmas. Hindi ko alam kung meron ka na.
Meron ka ba yan? Ha?
Oh my God, meron
Sa isa
ka na.
tawagan mo muna ako eh.
Meron ka na? Hindi nga meron ka na.
Sayang yung money. Hindi, pa-change na lang. Na, pwede naman pa-change yan eh. Meron ka na yan? Ano ba yan? Patingin? Ay. Gift ko naman kay Enzo. Ano?
Yeah, Ed! Yeah, Ed!
Meaning, pwede mo i-claim sa akin na so I can do my
Yeah, Ed! Yeah, Ed!
Maganda naman yung gift namin sa'yo ah.
I opened yung gift ni Enzo for me.
Ay, open mo.
I'm gonna keep this one. I'll keep it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Joe. I love it.
Wow! Fine, it's okay. Ah, hindi. Wala pa ako nito. Iba to. Dark red to. Thank you, Kish.
Okay.
I
So,
love you.
okay na. Okay na lahat.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so
Wala na
much.
to. Digpit, digpit. Teka lang.
Cute ni Enzo.
Sinabi ko sa'yo na, ano, ito pa kaming gift. Oo. Pero, pala lang muna. Isa pa kaming gift sa UCC. Sa Spider ng PS5. Kasi hindi kami nakabili. Dahil, ano tawag doon? Out of stock na. So, you hold on to it. Kaya kasi binigyan kita na IOU, no? Okay? Don't worry, bibili tayo niyan. Wait lang tayo ng konti.
Why are you going to cry?
Yeah.
Don't cry. No, just put Coco there.
Ito mo na, alis dyan. Pwede na daw yung open yan. There's Coco. Slowly lang ha, baka
Could you just sit down and bring it there?
mapunit mo yung ibang Tsaka kailangan ko yung box, ibabalik daw namin yan. Yung binigyan.
It's Christmas time, the world is bright, hearts are warm on this cold night. Gather round and sing along, merry, merry all night long. Love and cheer, far and near, Merry Christmas time of year.
Oh, smile. Careful.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Lebo Boy.
Bakit ako yung naiyak?
Yung pinapangagad ko siya na...
25?
25?